In this video, I will show you step by step how you can order free samples on TikTok Shop. So the first thing we need to do is head over to TikTok. Now from here, you want to head down to Shop at the bottom. And then once we head over to Shop, what we now need to do is we want to find the product that has a free sample. So for example, if I just go to here and then if we go over to my favorites, as you can see, I've now got a favorite. If you select one of these, as you will now notice, it will now say free sample in the bottom right hand corner. Now, not every product has this, but the products that do have this will say free sample. You can click on this. That will bring you over to this page. And then as you can see, there is now an option for get sample. Click on this and then you can request from seller, or you can also order refundable samples. So you want to click on the one you want. So for example, request from seller, click on this. That will then bring you over to this page. And then all you simply need to do is enter in what you need right here. So default, and then you can then select request free sample. Once you request your free sample, that will then be sent out to your home address, and then you can then go ahead and make a TikTok shop video about that. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can order free samples on TikTok.